Acupuncture, the first step to natural health. In recent years, there has been an increased interest in natural health. People are trying a variety of different things in order to bring their bodies into a balanced state and to enjoy health that does not involve pharmaceutical solutions. They do this for a number of different reasons, but for the most part, it is because they realize that not all medical treatments are actually making them 100% better. In fact, some people are actually becoming sicker as a result of taking pharmaceutical medication because of the side effects or because it does not agree with them in one way or another. Although there are many different ways to bring your body into a balanced state, acupuncture is one way that should not be overlooked. It is an ancient Chinese procedure in which small needles are placed throughout the body at particular acupuncture points in order to manipulate the flow of energy in an individual. According to traditional Chinese medicine, this energy, otherwise known as qi, is what controls everything in regard to our health. If that energy should be blocked to a certain extent or if it should lose its natural balance, a number of different problems could occur in our bodies that range from depression the whole way through to terminal illnesses. The actual practice of acupuncture has been taking place in China for thousands of years, but it has only recently come to the attention of those in the Western world to a large extent. Since that time, some different methods have been administered, such as producing prepackaged, one-time use needles and in different ways of manipulating the acupuncture needles electronically. Some of the more traditional methods of using acupuncture are still included within the new treatment, such as the use of moxa in order to heat the needles. As we continue to learn more about this particular type of treatment, more individuals will look to acupuncture as a way to bring the body back into balance. As a result of coming into this balance, these individuals will be able to lead a more normal life, one that is free of pain and living with an overall sense of well-being. Although there are many different ways in which we can bring our body back into this balance, acupuncture is a part that cannot be overlooked. It is the first step to improved natural health.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.